Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out 5 hot hair ideas to shake up boring hair. So first up, we have this bob haircut transformation. She does have some grown out blonde hair color for this particular style. So after cutting the hair, the stylist has done a blowout. She was able to create some beautiful volume within that bob. So then we move on to the next hairstyle. This one is a great option if you want to keep your hair long, but you still want to kind of try something different by adding in some layers. So the stylist is adding in some beautiful curtain style bangs for this particular haircut. Gorgeous. The stylist also mixed in some waves for some beautiful texture. So if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyles, don't forget to hit that like button and of course subscribe to see more hot hair trends. So the next haircut idea is going to involve more layers as well as some hair color. So we're going to see a very vibrant and bold hair color change with this particular look. Beautiful mix of purple and pink, lavender. And the stylist added some beautiful curls for some texture. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Next up, we see some more curtain bangs being added for the next style. This haircut is by Chris Jones Hair. So the stylist did add a bit more hair in the middle, making it a little bit more of that bottleneck bang style that we're seeing floating around. And then we see another hairstyle. This one is going to feature a bob haircut transformation. So the stylist is going to be mixing in some color with this particular look as well. Absolutely gorgeous shape and texture. I love the choppiness of this overall cut. So beautiful. For even more hair inspiration, be sure to check out this video.